I was one of those people working on this resolution, talking to people about it, fighting for it, drafting it, trying to get the right language and so on. But there was one great disappointment about it. It restated rights, it restated rights, but it has not delivered justice in cases we know about. And it was signed off by members of the Security Council that are guilty. When you talk about putting people in jail, and I couldn't agree with you more, some of those people are in a position where they feel so confident in the impregnable position that they're in that they can sign off on a resolution at the Security Council because they have no fear of being taken to court over the bombing of Al Jazeera and the killing of Tariq Ayoub, or of Terry Lloyd, like the case of Terry Lloyd. And it seems to me that that just raises the question about, when you make the point about will it make a difference, and what concerns me is that what on earth will make a difference? Because it seems to me that if they can't be held to account now, what makes you think, Geoffrey, that in 3 years down the line with your new convention and so on, that it's going to make the
same difference? It's not a new convention, it's an addition, it's a new crime. And just as we hope that the first hearing of the ICC charging someone with the new crime of recruiting child soldiers will deter some people from recruiting children because they know they'll go to prison for a long time. So the next case, if it's a specific prosecution for killing a journalist, may deter someone down the line from killing journalists in war. That's the objective.
Yeah. But can you understand why journalists are not convinced by this when they see the evidence before their eyes every day that actually the people who are getting away with the murder of journalists and the killing of journalists are not being held to account?
But maybe if someone is held to account, if there is a specific crime of killing a journalist and someone is convicted of it or even prosecuted of it, that will send the message to people who don't read Security Council resolutions, to professors, to people who aren't professors of law and know that civilian in the Geneva Convention, which America hasn't ratified, includes journalists.